We look upon this shaken earth and we declare our firm and fixed purpose, the building of a peace with justice in a world where moral law prevails. Touch a piece of the moon. You can actually touch it. Yan yung play ni Dan, Nemesis. Ganyan si Banksy magano. If you need confirmation that you're poor, this is the place. Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of my vlog. Again, my name is Nestor. I do travel and my life vlogs. Kung first time nyo sa channel, and if you like my content, feel free to subscribe. I just got out of my hotel, kaka-check out lang natin, so iniwan natin yung bag. For this video, we are going to continue exploring Union Square. Pero this time, it's gonna be different. Papasok na tayo in one of the museums. Specifically, for now, I got a reservation for the Smithsonian Aerospace Museum. Kahapon na daanan natin siya kahapon. Diba dun, on the other episode, the previous episode, we just walked around, no, crossing the street. We just walked around sa Union Square, and hopefully maka-explore tayo at least dalawa. Then I showed you guys around yung mga museums na surrounding Union Square. And so I'll show you guys kung anong nandito sa Washington DC. And from my hotel to anong tawag dito, the Smithsonian Aerospace Museum is a 20-minute walk. So goal natin today, kung kaya, is we'll check out the Aerospace Museum, and then yung National Natural History Museum ng Smithsonian. So it's also another 15-20 minute walk from the Aerospace Museum. Yun mas harap. Yung Capitol, US Capitol. Doon tayo kahapon. Sa ibang vlogs ko, we went to the Capitol kasi nga nag-lobby tayo for hemophilia. But yeah, you can check that out on another video. Guys, nagkamali pala ako. So, ang pangalan pala ng museum is Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum. Again, halos lahat, if not all of the museums dito are free. So, nabuko lang yung ticket from the official website. So, don't make the mistake of going to a third-party website, tapos you're paying $30, $20, and it's supposed to be just free. Okay? Maliban na lang siguro sa may ibang museum na you really have to pay for it. I know specifically yung the Holocaust Museum, because we paid for it. I think it was like $30 when we went 2 years ago. But yeah, tapos nag-cross na naman ulit tayo. Masyadong mahabang ito yung Capitol again from this angle, from this view. The front view. Tapos opposite, diba ulit, is Union Square. Union Square to lahat. Tapos makikita mo yung Washington Monument papalap pa as we cross. Remember that yesterday? Yun. Today is a little bit gloomy na naman, so we really can't control the weather. Medyo malamig ngayon, mga 50 degrees. So nag-jacket ako konti. Masarap naman sa feeling sa balat. And then, so right next to the Capitol, ito yun dun, yung may dome dun. Anong tawag dun? Botanical Garden. So you guys can go there too if you want to check the plants and stuff. Dun tayo kahapon sa may Rayburn building. We're advocating. Hindi ako napag-video. Tapos, switch na naman ng camera. Remember those blue flags? It's to commemorate awareness for the colorectal cancer disease. So, yun. Let's cross. Ay, hindi pa pala. Tapos naglalakad na lang tayo to the other side para mapuntahan natin yung museum. Tapos, napin na tayo. Itong building ito sa katabi siya ng Air and Space Museum is the American Indian History Museum. If you're interested in American Indian history, pasok kayo dito. And it's for free. You won't miss it kasi katabi lang siya ng Air and Space Museum. Guys, tinignan ko yung ticket ko. Timed entry pala siya. Timed entry, meaning you had to reserve a slot kung anong oras ka papasok. So yung ni-reserve ko is 1 p.m. May QR code na bibigay sila, i-email nila. Nakalagay 1 p.m. Tas time right now is 12:30 p.m. So we're 30 minutes early. Sabi nga nila, nakalagay dito, no early entry. So tignan natin kung makapasok tayo. Try lang. Ito ulit yung National Museum of American Indian. May fountain sila sa loob. Let's kill time. Tignan natin kung ano nasa labas. Kaya guys, try nyo i-timing kasi baka hindi kayo makapasok. Ganda oh. Flowing. Tapos maririnig mo lang yung the stream. Maririnig mo lang yung stream ng tubig. So relaxing. Pasok tayo dito next time. Kasi 5 p.m. daw matatapos si Ferlin. Pick up niya ako. Tapos punta na tayo kina Matt afterwards. So, try natin kasi I think the Air and Space Museum will take 2 to 3 hours. Depende kung you'll just speed through it. And one of the main reasons why I wanna go to the Air and Space Museum kasi last time hindi ako nakapasyal talaga dito. And another reason is isa sa mga blood brothers natin na may hemophilia din, nakasali ko dito sa conference. His name's Dan Bond. He invented a plane, 2 planes actually, na ni-retire dito sa museum. So tignan natin yung exhibit. So he invented 2 planes for racing, race planes. He's an engineer, aerospace engineer, or aeronautics engineer ba tawag dun? Basta ang sobrang amazing. So tingnan natin, one of the famous people na i-add natin siya sa konting list, small list na mga sikat na na-meet natin. Sige na, cross tayo, tingnan natin kung makapasok tayo ng maaga. 12:34 pa. Kung hindi, let's walk around even more and check out the area. Guys, tignan nyo gaano karami yung mga school buses, tsaka mga tour buses. Hanggang dun yun. Because a lot of these museums nga are free. So parang if you live in the area or the neighboring states, parang ang daling mag-tour dito. Naalala ko tuloy nung bata pa tayo sa Pilipinas, we would go into these like mga science fairs, science exhibits, tapos manghingi ng mga excuse letter ng parents, tapos baon and stuff. I don't know if mga tao sa Pilipinas, they still do it, or the students, they still do it. Pero yun, na-miss ko tuloy, parang nostalgia. Ganda dito, kasi nga, you get to expose children sa history, sa science, and all that. Kasi, more knowledge is power. As yan guys, ito na yun sa labas. Smithsonian Institution. Ito na yung Air and Space Museum from the outside. Nakita natin to kahapon, dun sa kabila yung angle. Try natin makapasok. Kung hindi, hintay-hintay na lang tayo. Update ko kayo. Yan guys, hindi tayo nakapasok kasi sobrang maaga pa. It was 12:37 when I tried to get in. Tapos sabi nila maaga pa. So they're very strict. Kasi siguro ang daming tao. So merong isang memorial dito. I-check out natin. Kay Dwight D. Eisenhower dito, memorial. Nabubulol ako. Kasi yung lamig kasi. Hindi pa natin na-check out to. So let's check it out. It's a 5-minute walk. So siguro tamang-tama pagdating natin doon. Tapos a little bit of look around, balik. It's time for us to get in. Yan guys, dito na tayo sa Dwight D. Eisenhower Memorial. So siya pala yung 34th President of the United States from 53 to 61. Dwight D. Eisenhower was very influential, leading America and the world during the World War II. Tapos siya yung first ever commander ng NATO. He was well known for his leadership. Also played a big part about in ending segregation dito sa Amerika. Kaya yeah, he was one of the great presidents dito. Dito, approaching na tayo. May quote siya sa taas. Basahin natin. We look upon this shaken earth and we declare our firm and fixed purpose, the building of a peace with justice in a world where moral law prevails. Wow. Dwight D. Eisenhower. Tapos parang meron siyang address nung D-Day. Lagay, ano sinabi niya? The tide has turned. The free men of the world are marching together to victory. How you doing? That's him over there. Yeah. So, yan yung Dwight D. Eisenhower Memorial. Ay, ito, meron pang isang post nakalagay. He was a 5-star general. 5-star general. Supreme Commander Allied Expeditionary Force from 1944 to 1945. Amazing for you to be a 5-star general, right? Tapos merong volunteer doon, and his father actually worked under him, under Eisenhower during World War II. How amazing is that, diba? Nakapag-usap pa tayo. Now it's time to go back. 12:55. So it's a 6-minute walk again. Try natin makapasok for sure. Guys, ang ganda. Tingnan niyo yung inside. Welcome to the National Air and Space Museum. Cha-chang! So, pagpapasok-pasok niyo, meron ng jet engine na replica dito sa gilid. And what is this? It's a silo, it's a rocket ship. Wow. Ang laki ng propeller. Dito, tignan natin ito. Pioneer 1011. What is this? Oh, it's a lunar module. LM2. Ito yung sa moon landing. Lunar module LM2. Ayan siya, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Touch a piece of the moon. You can actually touch it. Whoa. Yan, nakatouch na tayo ng moon. Pumunta kayo dito, makakatouch kayo. So sa pagpasok mo sa right, merong merong information center dun banda. And then on the right is a museum store. Tapos may map naman din. Pero dito, Wright Brothers. If you guys aren't familiar with the Wright Brothers, sila yung nag-invent ng airplane. Ito. Mamaya tayo papasok dito. Punta muna tayo sa taas. But anyways, ito, the Wright Brothers, the invention of the aerial age. So sila yung talagang nag-invent ng airplane. Pause nyo na lang kung gusto nyo basahin. But yeah, I don't think I can go through all of them. Basta tignan muna natin yung Nation of Speed. Doon yung nung friend natin si Dan Bond. Doon yung plane niya ni-retire. Let's check it out. So nasa taas siya. When you go right, take the escalators to the top, second floor. Tapos you won't miss it. It's right next to the museum store and the Wright Brothers part dun. Sorry, mabilis. And dito sa taas, second floor. So pagka baba mo sa escalator, it's gonna be right in front of you. Just head straight and then it's like Nation of Speed. Exhibit 203. So medyo madilim siya, but Nation of Speed. Dito. Wow. Oh, ito. Nahanap ko na. Ito. Yan yung play ni... Medyo maingay sa loob. Sana marinig niyo ako. Yan yung play ni... Play ni Dan. Nemesis. Tingnan natin a better angle. Ito guys. Ito yung play niya. Hanap tayo ng mas magandang angle. Ayan. Yan yung play. The Nemesis. Dalawa daw eh. Ewan ko saan ba yung isa. Ito ata. Ito, isang plane ng US Air Force. Siguro baka nandito yung isang plane niya. Ito ata. Hindi ko alam yung ano yung ni-retire isang plane. Hanapin natin. Or tinasir natin mahanap. So, meron pa mga ibang planes dito guys. From Boeing and everything. Ano ba dito? Parang planetarium. Exploring the planets. May nabasa ako, I don't know how true it is. Pero the Filipinos, may mga Filipino scientists daw na played a pivotal role in creating dune buggies or yung mga space rovers. So I don't know how true it is, but I feel like it's true. So go Pinoys. So yung next natin na papasukin is Boeing 747 cockpit. Ganito yung planes dati guys, in the olden times. Parang mas malaki. Parang lumiit ngayon. So, yan siya. Ito siya. 747-151. Dito tayo. You are here. Pasok tayo. Ay, konti lang pala. Late lang pala. Ito siya sa loob. CR restroom. Pilot's uniform. Tapos ganito siya sa loob. Ewan ko kung gano'n advanced yung technology from before to now. Kung ano ba, may difference na ba yung cockpit? May ano na ba? May Apple CarPlay na ba? May Spotify na ba? Sana may modern sila exhibit. So we'll see. One World Connected. Sa tapat to ng cockpit. May malaking globe sa gitna. Ganito guys. Ganito yung itsura sa ISS. Ito yung nakikita mo sa ISS from the ISS. Kung tinitignan mo yung planet Earth. Earth at night. Yan yung nakikita mo. Wow. Ganda. Puti natin to. Gulat ka na, tapos andyan yung mukha mo. Okay. Ito yung percentage, oh. Tara, let's check out another exhibit. So, meron din pala silang planetarium dito, guys. So, may mga different shows and different times. Tapos, kita niyo yung price sa baba. Adults, $10. Seniors, $9. Youth, $8. Kung military kayo or members kayo ng museum, meron kayong discounts. So, mga showtimes, Dark Universe, Worlds Beyond Earth. 2:30 yung sunod, Birth of a Planet, of Planet Earth. Di na tayo dun pupunta. But if you are interested, it's $10 to get in. Bili kayo ng tickets dun, may counter naman dun. Dami pa mga old planes dito. Wow, pioneers of flight. All sorts of planes. Let's tignan nyo. Ito yung look from... Yan yung entrance dyan. Dyan sa'yo kanina. Di ba? Tapos yun yung information center. Ganda. Ay, punta tayo sa kabila. Okay. Dito tayo sa World War I plane exhibit. Tingnan natin kung ano yung difference. Compare natin sa World War II planes. So, ano na tayo? Tingnan nyo guys. Total casualties exceed 11 million. Unbelievable. Those are people, by the way. Tapos i-compare natin yung planes from the World War II. Ito sa taas. Mag-pass by lang tayo kasi ayaw ko mag-spend too much time. Tingnan natin ito more this lang. Look, it's spinning. Ay, sayang. Gallery closed yung World War II, guys. Pero may isang plane dito makikita mo. Sayang. Siguro inaayos nila. Inaayos nila siguro. Next time, punta natin. Baba tayo. Tapos na tayo sa taas. Meron din silang parang mga showtimes dito, guys. Oh. IMAX. May IMAX theater sila dito. Tignan natin magkano. Oh, tapos sa kabila, punta tayo dyan. Futures in Space. Ano kayo meron dyan? Oh, ito guys. May showtimes sa IMAX. Ayan. Space, The New Frontier, National Parks Adventure, Blue Angels, T-Rex, Aircraft Carrier, Guardians of the Sea, and The Bride. Ah, that's actual movies. Tapos dito sa baba yung prices. So for the IMAX, it's $16 for adults. Seniors, $15. Youth, $14. And members, $13. So, kung interested kayong manood dito ng sine, manood kayo. Nagulat ako, merong yung The Bride, yung bago yun eh. Dito na tayo sa Futures in Space. Medyo trippy yung sign. What can we do to thrive in space? Ay, what meron si R2-D2 dito? Oh, Blue Origin. That is a company owned by Jeff Bezos, one of the richest people on earth. Yung kalbo na may-ari ng Amazon, if you guys aren't familiar, he is trying to invest in space kasi nga na-threaten siya ni Elon Musk sa ano to? Next stop Mars. Ayoko na pumasok dyan. Tapos ito yung parang nila sa Mars, depiction nila sa Mars. Paano nila mag-build ng 3D printed homes doon. Interesting. Inflatable habitat concept. Nakita natin to sa sa Gravity ba tawag nun? Oh, Interstellar. Oh, ito yung kay The Martian na movie. Up close and personal sa the Blue Origin capsule. And that's it. I think that's it. So, Futures in Space. Tapos pasok tayo sa museum store. Tignan natin kung anong meron doon. Pero sirado tong portion na dito. Sirado din. So, hindi tayo makapunta dyan. Textron, How Things Fly, yan. So, siguro pag punta nyo dito, guys, pag bukas siya, puntahan nyo na lang and check it out. Kasi hindi natin ma-check out today. Tignan natin yung museum store and see what's up over there. And guys, yung museum store. Ah, ang dito makikita mo mga NASA na mga apparel, t-shirts too. Ito yung mga famous na NASA t-shirts, makakabili kayo dito. NASA mugs. Di ba nakikita mo ito palagi sa movies? May mga keychain din. Let's see how much the t-shirts are. It's $35. Ito, sikat to na t-shirt. $25. Ito yung sikat na t-shirt. Dang! Oh, they also have magnets din dito, guys. Kung gusto nyo. NASA magnets. Wow. How much are these? $10, guys. Medyo mahal. Yung budget ko sa magnets, ano lang, mga $6, $7. Meron din silang magnets dito sa DC, kung gusto nyo. Ganda to. Gusto kong bumili ng ganito. Yung umiikot. Tapos meron din silang mga helmets dito. Ala, pang Halloween costume nyo, guys. Look at this. No, look at pang Halloween costume nyo. Wow, spacesuit. Ganda dito. May mga tumblers din. Kung gusto nyo. Tingnan natin magkano tong costume nito. Natin. It's $90. So, mga nasa almost, ano siya, almost 5,000. Sobrang mahal. Tapos may ibang ano pa sa taas. Alam niyo, nagugutom na ako. So, probably head out. Tapos, kain tayo ng, hanap tayo ng pagkainan. Tapos mga cherry blossom stuff dito. It's very DC. Kasi yung DC, ano din, famous sila for cherry blossoms dun sa may Capitol. Cherry blossom hat. Ano pa ba? Ano nga sa baba? Lower level. Guys, ganda oh. So trippy. Tingnan natin kung ano sa baba. Let's check it out. Amoy pagkain. Wow. Chef. Trippy. Tingnan natin. Oh, it's the same thing. Pareho lang. Ito. It's the same thing. Meron silang mga planetarium stuff. Pareho lang pala, guys. Tara, balik na tayo sa taas. Meron yung elevator if you guys want something accessible. Guys, meron isang exhibit na tignan natin bago lumabas. Ang pangalan is America by Air. So, parang continuation sa exhibit sa ano, yung pinuntahan natin sa taas. Yun yung parang old Airbus, di ba? Tingnan nyo, parang modern na to. Airbus A320. Di ba sabi ko kung ano yung mga current ngayon? Ito, tignan nyo mga LED na or mga display. It's totally different from yung isa sa taas, yung nakita natin. This plane, I think, is from American Airlines. May mga computer monitors na sila. Ano pala siya? Computer revolution in the cockpit. Sa A320. Wow, this uniform nila. Akala ko naka-tuxedo. Alaska Airlines, Spirit, Frontier. Don't fly Spirit, guys, and Frontier. Wow. Wonder what plane is this? Oh, Rolls-Royce engine. Tingnan nyo. Flagship Vermont. Oh, so it's called DC-7. Nakalagay DC-7. Ito. So, you guys want to check it out? Ito yung entrance, guys. Alright, pasok na tayo. Watch your head. Yun, sobrang luma, guys. Wow. Ito, first class. May typewriter pa. So para siyang para siyang train. That was it? Oh, that's you? Ah. So para siyang, it's like a train. It's like built like a train. The seats are facing each other. Kita niyo naman. So I think that's it. Parang wala nang parang sarado na ata. Yan guys, last look na tayo bago tayo lumabas at maghanap ng food kasi gutom na ako. May nahanap ako. Lakarin natin yun. Rice Bar, pangalan ng restaurant. So it's like 7 minutes away. Doon pala sa kabila yung an exit. Pwede pala may exit doon. Mas malapit tayo doon. Tara, check out natin. Nakalabas na tayo guys. Tapos meron ng if you gutumin kayo, merong mga food trucks dito sa labas. Pero yung kumain dyan, hanap tayo ng let's find something. Yung makakaupo tayo. Yun nga, nakita ko ang Rice Bar. It's a Korean restaurant. So tignan natin. Yes, mas marami palang food trucks din dito. May nakalagay sa Google Maps. Meron daw doon, malapit sa anong tawag dito? Sa Rice Bowl or the Korean restaurant. Nakalagay Food Truck Avenue. So kung ayaw nyo ng Korean food, merong mga choices doon. Pero liliko na tayo dyan sa gilid. Hopefully papasok dito. Liliko na tayo dito sa gallery, Capitol Gallery. Dito para siyang mall pala. Ito, sira yung para siyang mall. Dito tayo papasok. Dito daw sa loob yung nakikita ko na yung Rice Bar. Pero doon yung mga food trucks doon. Kung gusto nyong ibang options or choices, marami naman. So don't worry. So guys, para siyang poke bar na design your own bibimbap. Pero meron din silang poke. Ito, you can choose the protein and just grab a piece of paper dito. And then just fill it out. So I'm probably gonna get just poke kasi mas madali and yeah, gusto ko. I'm craving for poke. Something light. Try natin. Tapos guys, pagkatapos mo i-fill up, bigay mo na dito. They will take your order and they will make it as you go along. Tapos bayad sa dulo. Tapos marami namang seats dito. Yan. Yan guys, tapos tayong kumain doon sa Rice Bar. Tawag ng restaurant ay Rice Bar. Nakita niyo yung para siyang cafeteria style, yung parang poke. Siya, build your own bowl ng bibimbap. Di ba sabi ko, tuna poke yung in-order natin. Di tayo naka-order nun kasi ubus na sila. Anyways, so nagastos ko mga $17. Lagay ko na lang kung anong conversion nun. Pero, hindi naman pero. Anong tawag dito? Ito, pakita ko yung mga food truck. Maraming food trucks dito. Meron yung cafe, food truck. But anyways, medyo sulit siya. Medyo sulit. Cross siya. Sulit nga siya kasi ang laki ng bowl, laki ng serving. Tapos, they don't skimp out yung paglagay ng mga toppings and servings, yun lang. Siguro yung price sakto lang kasi dito sa DC, understandable na medyo mahal siya. So yun, kung gusto niyo yung parang ganun na style, punta kayo doon. Rice Bar, malapit lang siya sa Union Square. Marami naman din options dito. Yung kinuha ko na meat, choice of meat is kalbi. So, pero brisket yung ginamit nila, so medyo matigas. I understand na brisket ginamit nila kasi mura yung cut ng brisket pag maramihan, pang bulk. Kaysa yung medyo mahalin yung mga gamitin na yung mga sirloin, yung mga ganun. Basta yun na. Tapos maglalakad tayo, papunta tayo ng, may time pa naman 2 o'clock pa. Punta tayo dun sa, Museum of Natural History. And guys, hindi muna tayo pupunta ng, National History Museum. Dito muna tayo sa Hirshhorn Museum of Modern Art or MoMA. Kasi, di ba na ano natin to kahapon? Nadaanan. Parang mga modern art exhibits. Tignan natin. Let's just check it out. May construction din nga pala. So, pag pupunta kayo dito, tas may construction pa, just be wary. Pero, I feel like they're gonna be done soon. I don't know anong gagawin nila. Yan guys, nakapasok na tayo. Meron na mga free pamphlets, Banksy and Basquiat composition notebook. Basement muna tayo. Kasi ito yung parang exhibit ni Banksy daw dito. Meron silang gift shop na naman. Let's see. Tas dito din sa floor na to ang restroom. Siguro mag-restroom na din tayo dito bago tayo umalis. Or restroom na tayo ngayon? Yan, nakapag-restroom na tayo. So ito yung entrance ng Basquiat, Banksy. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but Banksy is a very famous artist na hindi pa siya nagpapakita ever. I don't know much about him, but I've seen some of his works kung saan ako nag-travel sa Europe. Hindi naman marami, pero I've seen some. Ito. Pause nyo na lang kung gusto nyong basahin. Jean-Michel Basquiat. Ano mo, tama ba yung pronounce? Eldest son of Haitian and Puerto Rican immigrants, grew up in Brooklyn. Tapos ito. Street artist si Banksy. Pause nyo na lang kung gusto nyo basahin din. Arguably the most famous street artist working today, has managed to conceal his identity despite widespread speculation. It's probably him. Oh yeah, eto. Kung tignan nyo, yun yung mga ganitong drawing, art. Ganyan si Banksy magano. Yan yung characteristics ng art niya. Ewan ko kung familiar kayo yung parang, i-post ko na lang yung parang picture, yung parang little girl na merong balloon na hinahawakan niya. Kay Banksy din yun. Para siyang kids art. Left to right. Yan guys, we got permission. So they got t-shirts here too. Meron silang, it's like a lens na coffee cup. Amazing. Kano kaya to? Sa $24. Tapos may tote bag din sila. It's $48. Guys, mas mahal ang tote bag. It's more expensive. Mga t-shirts. How much is a t-shirt? Tingnan natin. Design. $30. Mas mahal yung t-shirt kaysa coffee cup. Beanie. Ganda na beanie nila. Dude, $50 for the beanie. Holy crap. And then itong sweater. Tapos ito yung parang Basquiat na na t-shirt. How much is this? $75. Guys, $75. Mga mugs na Picasso. Campbell's. $30. Mahal. Ang mahal. Then yung mga sculptures, it's like $150. Ito, Lego na camera. I don't know how much that is, but feeling ko expensive. Pendant necklace. Cute nito. Mga pins, si Bob Ross. Of course, they sell art na pwede mong ipa-frame sa bahay nyo. They range from $16 to $24. Ganda. Meron din silang books. Pero ang ganda nitong t-shirt na to. Banksy na t-shirt. $30. Ano na itong mug na to? Gusto ko. Pero wala na akong lagayan. Ayan, lumabas na tayo sa Hirschborn Museum. Tapos, maglakad na tayo papunta ng Natural History Museum. Kasi 2:30 na. Yun lang naman yung goal ko is makita ko lang yung exhibit ni Banksy. So, yun, nasa likuran ako. Lakad tayo. Siguro mga 20-minute walk, siguro 15-minute walk. We have to cross Union Square. Pag ganun, tawid tayo. Update ko kayo. Kasi medyo malamig. Yung kamay ko malamig na rin. So guys, meron tayong nadaanan. National Gallery of Art Sculpture Garden. Tignan muna natin dito kung anong meron dito. So guys, sa gitna pala nitong sculpture area, merong skating rink. Pero tignan niyo yung ice, ano na siya? Melted na. So parang sinara na nila. I think hindi na season. So kung pupunta kayo dito winter, for sure may makita kayong nagsiskate dyan. Meron din parang cafe dyan guys, oh. Pwede kayong kumain dyan or tambay. Curl. Hello little buddy. Guys, dito na tayo sa harap ng Museum of Natural History. Let's go! As if someone's busking too.
Willis, Mariana, National Mall.
And guys. Woo! Nasarap na tayo. Let's go! Chachang! Yan guys, ito yung nasarap. Sobrang laki. Ang sobrang high ceiling. Mga pillars and stuff. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, ito yung the Smithsonian National History. Isa sa mga natural history is isa sa mga pinaka biggest exhibit, if not the biggest exhibits of natural history sa buong mundo. Tara, pasok tayo. Free naman din, papasok. Yes, nakapasok na tayo. Just in front, when you get in, sobrang laki ng elephant na I don't know if you guys can hear me, pero sobrang ingay dito sa loob. Tapos, every floor, there's different exhibits. Ito yung remember ko. One of my favorite exhibits is yung dinosaur, insect, tsaka ocean. Yan yung ocean sa harap. Pagbungad mo talaga. May restrooms din naman dito if you want to use restrooms. Pero just to tour you around. Dinosaurs din dito sa my left. And then plants and butterflies sa taas. And I think insects din. May mammals din dito. I know last time nung pumunta ako dito, close nila yung section ng reptiles ata, parang ganun. Ewan ko, basta tignan natin muna. Dito muna tayo sa Ocean Hall. Ocean Hall. Ano lang muna tayo, parang ito siya. Bilisan lang natin. Let's just do a fast walkthrough. If you wanna see all of it, i-pause nyo na lang. Yan yung sa taas, oh. Ano kaya yan? King crab or snow crab? Snow crab. Snow crab. Sarap yan. Wow, tingnan nyo yung jellyfish. Wow. Jellyfish burgers. Ano yan? Oh, shark. Lobsters. Ito, whale. Malaki. North Atlantic right whale. Tapos corals dito. Oh, there's actually live fishes. fishies! They're actually live. Oh, look, it's Dory. It's Dory. Oh, and it's Nemo. I found Nemo. Fact, why does the ocean look blue? Because as light passes through water, most colors are absorbed. Blue light isn't. It's reflected back to your eyes. Wow. May natutunan tayo, guys. Now I know. Galing. Kaya pala when you put water in a glass, transparent siya. But when you look through the ocean, blue siya. Kasi daw sabi, ina-absorb halos lahat ng light. But except for the blue light, blue ray light na hindi siya spectrum, blue spectrum na light, hindi siya ina-absorb. Kaya nakikita natin yung blue. Now we know. Mga crabs. Natawa tuloy ako. Akala nyo wala kayong matutunan sa sa vlog ko. Meron pala. Kaya follow and subscribe. Eto, there's different sea urchins over here. Eyed flounder. Di ba ano to? Tuyo yan sa atin, kinakain natin tuyo. Tapos mga snail, guys, oh. Nakakain na ba kayo ng mga snails? Kinakain natin yan, di ba? Ito, sea urchin. Kumakain tayo ng sea urchin din. Ito yung mga sea urchin na binibili natin pag mag-island hopping. Whelk, sea biscuit. Hindi pa ako nakakain yan. Look, it's blue crabs. Hello, little buddy. Oh, ito. What is an estuary? Yan yung... Hindi ako mag-cheat. Yan yung where the salt and fresh water meets. Ito na area. Hindi ko yun nakalimutan sa science class. Ito, mix, saltwater mix and conditions are always changing. Sea fresh and saltwater mix. Tama ba? Pause nyo na lang. Tapos i-correct nyo ako kung mali ako. Lovar. Laki nito. Atlantic salmon. Laki. And then, what do we have here? My blue shark. Basically, ganito lang siya, guys. Yung ocean hall. Oh, tignan natin dun. Parang interesting din sa kabila. Wow, the twilight zone. So, ito yung parang level na medyo dark pero hindi pa. Ganun. Ito yung mga fish at twilight zone. Mga gnarly fish. I don't know. So ito, yung mga kinakain natin pusit sa Twilight Zone sila nahanap. Ito guys, oh, mga dinosaur na bones. Ay, ewan ko. Ay, mga whales pala. Tapos dito, alligators and stuff. Ay, tama ba? Dinosaur na. Huwag yun akong pakinggan, guys. Mga bones na mga dinosaur that were living sa ocean. Amazing. Mga fossils ba tawag nito? Fossils na tatawag dito, guys. Oy! Megalodon. Hold on. Ano tayo dito? So big. Holy crap. Look at the size of those teeth. Like, sing laki ng kamay ko. Oh, there's actually a size there. It's as big as my hand. So, buti na lang it's extinct na. Tapos meron pala silang cafe dito, guys. Ocean Terrace Cafe. May restrooms din ata dyan. Tapos yun yung maganda dito sa mga museums dito. Marami silang mga cafeteria, kainan, and it really helps kasi kung gugutumin kayo, hindi na kayo maglakad or go anywhere else. Kasi malaki nga talaga yung museum. Punta tayo sa taas. Second floor na naman tayo. Joke. Dito lang pala tayo muna sa Hall of Mammals. Ito. So, katabi lang siya ng katabi lang siya ng anong tawag dito? Ng Ocean Hall. Medyo maingay. Sorry na lang. Dito tayo kasi sure ko nandito tayo sa exhibit. Mga mammals yun. Mammal pala yung walrus. Now I know. There's mga bats. So, mammals pala. Ano yung characteristics niya, guys? Mammals have hair, they produce milk and special ear bones. So yun yung parang distinction na maging mammal siya. Mammal mothers have milk. They're very specific. Ito sa kabila, mga rhinos, mga, ano tawag dito? Deer. They have rats, I think. Lion. You have a lion here. Mountain goats. There's a giraffe. And African buffalo. Hindi to Tamaraw. Hindi to Philippine buffalo. Pero African buffalo with the tigers na kinakain sila. Ito yung set ng Lion King, guys. Subanya. The Safari Desert. Sa singin nyo. Sa taas. Ganda, no? Tingnan nyo to. Yeah! There's a hippo over there. Hippos! Dito tayo, guys. Let's meet one of our oldest relatives. Hanapin natin. Ito. Wild boar. Tapos meron palang theater dito, guys. Rodents. Tignan niya. May unggoy na nakaupo. Nanonood kayo dito. So, opposable thumbs. And milk. Milk. So kung gusto niyo manood ng history of evolution, nood kayo dyan. Yan, parang sinabi niya, yun nga yung equation ng mammals. Paano kayo malaman ng mammals? We have hair, we have bones, ear bones, tapos mothers produces milk. So parang tayo lang yung may ganyang future. Mga human Pro Max. Parang iPhone lang. That's ito. American bison. They're not extinct anymore. They're not in danger of being extinct anymore. Dito din, parang connected siya sa Ocean Hall. Human origin. Siguro dadaan ka sa cafe pag dito ka. So dito yung mga humans. This is where the humans are. What does it mean to be a human? And if you're wondering, like, how do we know these skulls are early humans? In all four species, the males have canine teeth smaller than those of other apes, a distinguishing characteristic of humans. Also, all four species walk upright. The skulls represent four major groups of early humans and illustrate the diversity in the human family tree. Huh. Now I know. And these are the skulls. Kuya 1, si Kuya 2, and Kuya 3, and then si Kuya 4. So yung mga skulls na yun, we all came from over there. Our ape heritage. Yan. There's more over here, guys. Survivor. Ito. So ito, from left to right siya. From left. Pause nyo lang kung gusto nyo basahin. To right. Diyan. Tapos ito yung latest. Tapos kung gusto nyo umupo dyan, makinig kayo, manood po kayo dyan. Dito, kita ko kayo. Filipino. Philippines. They even have a depiction of cave writings and carvings. Yan, one of the earliest arts natin. Ganyan. I don't know if you're familiar of the allegory of the cave. I highly recommend basahin niyo yung story na yun. Short story lang naman. Ang sobrang ganda. Ganda ng meaning ng allegory of the cave. I highly recommend. So tignan niyo yun, guys. Meron pa dito, mga tools na nagamit nila. Tsaka art. Sculpture, earliest ano pala to? Instrument, flute. Tapos, sculpture. Lion Man. And then Apollo 11 animal figure. Ewan ko ano yan. Dami palang exhibit, guys. It's big. This is how they found them. Push. Jennifer Clark, Human Origins Program. Ito pag i-push mo, malalaman mo kung paano nila na-uncover. Walang audio. Different kinds of human skulls, yung evolution ng skulls. Ano na natin, guys, i-breeze through lang natin, i-pan. Kasi ang dami. There's so many. Ito. Interesting to. Social life of humans. Pause nyo na lang kung gusto nyo. Gathering at the earth. Ito. Mabasa nyo ba kaya to? Building social networks. Tapos this one depicts how our brain slowly increases its size. Pero grabe, gradual. And I think this is the latest size of our brain. Laki. If I'm not mistaken, I think the average brain size, brain weight is around 3 pounds. Correct nyo lang ako. Pero feeling ko yun yung, tignan natin, baka nakalagay dito. Pero, fact check nyo lang ako. Tignan natin yan. Pero alam ko mga nandun na size eh. Tama nga ako, tinignan ko sa Google. 3 pounds nga, di ko yung makalimutan. Around 1.3 to 1.4 kilograms nandun na average. Dito naman, how humans change the world. Daan ko na lang. From creating tools for hunting, gathering food, from producing crops, cultivating crops, Southeast Asia, dito. Hanggang naging mas sophisticated na tayo. This is today. Modern humans have spread throughout the world and grown to huge numbers, producing their own food rather than tracking it down daily. It has freed us and it enriches us in our lives in many ways to become artists, inventors, scientists, politicians, and more. So, ang dami na nating pinagdaanan. Wow, dami kong nalalearn. This lang gift shop din, guys, marami. So dito, ito yung dinosaur gift shop. Marami pang gift shop na dito. Parang 4 or 5. Pero yan yun sa loob. Hindi na tayo papasok. You kinda get the gist. Tas fake news din. Pupunta tayo sa kabila na naman ng first floor sa Dinosaur Hall exhibit. Kasi sobrang ganda nun. Pakita ko kayo. Nagigig out ako. Paborito ko to lahat. Pero hindi ako masyado interested sa mga stones. You'll see what I mean. Pero dyan, di ba, napakita ko kayo yung elephant when you enter. So it's gonna be on the right of the entrance. Ito yung Fossil Hall. Fossil Hall. Dito. Journey through time. So, you are here. May map naman. Parang sinasuggest nila, ganito yung flow mo. First ka dun. Pabalik ka dun. Pag ganun. Ay, kung gusto mong mauna, dito muna. Left ka muna, tapos pag ganun ka. Pag ganun. Okay, try natin yan. So, dito yung Ice Age muna. Ice Age. Mga saber-toothed tigers. I think this is a woolly mammoth. I don't know what this is. Oh, a giant ground sloth. Guys, ang laki. Holy crap, ang laki. Giant ground sloth. Man, I can't imagine sloths like that. Tapos ito yung mga early predators ng mga humans. Can you imagine living through Ice Age? Just ganun yung mga mga kalaban mo when you hunt. As pasok tayo dito sa gitna na exhibit. On your right, mga mga elephants, browsers, grazers, mga mammals. Tapos, ito. Look. Very big. I think it's a mammoth. American mastodon. I don't even know what that is. Ito din. Nakita nila yung asteroid, how these dinosaurs went into extinction. Ito. Last American dinosaurs daw nakalagay dito. They're living on plants, herbivores. Tapos siguro hindi na nila na-sustain yung diet nila. And this is, I think, a T-Rex. Wow. Is it? Really? Yeah, I think it's a T-Rex. King of carnivores. And then I think yung sa baba, Triceratops yun. Another look. T-Rex over a Triceratops. Wow. Tapos ito. Ano to? Hindi ko alam yung mga dinosaurs eh. Oh. Masyadong malaki pala to, guys. Ang dami. Tingnan ito. Ang ganda. Wow! Laki. Ano, bilisan natin to? Siguro when you guys come here, take your time. Do a whole day thing. Tapos, be prepared na maglalakad kayo. Sobrang daming lakaran. Not gonna lie. Medyo masakit na nga yung pa ako eh. Pero fighting. Kasi pagdating natin ng Austin, di naman tayo maglalakad. Ano natin to? Let's breeze through here. There's ocean stuff. Dito. On this side. Laki. I wonder if it's the exact size. Ganun niya siya kalaki. Meron din dito. Mammals naman dito. Na side. Wow! Ganda. Ito din, sa ocean, guys. Can you imagine? Ano kayo dyan? Mag-swimming kayo, tapos nasa ilalim niyo yan. I don't even wanna think about it. There's parang big walruses. Guys. Oh no, yeah. I would give up. Guys, nadaanan ko mag-restroom. Tignan nyo, sobrang laki. Megalodon. Ito pala yung shark na, yung bibig ng shark na inano natin. Ito siya, yung bibig niya. Yung kanina. Ang laki. Holy crap. Ito yung teeth niya. It's as big as my palm. Almost. Wow. Guys, so nasa, ano na tayo? Second floor. Ito yung, diba sabi ko hindi ko to favorite, pero I'll just show you guys around kasi it's actually really cool. Ito yung parang gems and stones exhibit. Ito, mga diamonds and stuff. I'm not gonna bore you with the stuff na mga facts, but I'll just show you the exhibit. So Hope Diamond. Ito, they're from India. Malaki. You guys might be interested in getting one of them. 45. Oh no, I was like, no, I was just trying to read it. Yeah. So ito nga. That was 45.52 carats. Can you imagine? You have that. All sorts of diamonds. Winston red. Nakalagay yung mga carats from 0.40 to 9.49. Dito din, 2.4 carats. Yan. I don't know if you can see it. So there's more on the other side. Let's check it out. I don't know if you can see it. Amazing. It's a topaz.
Yeah.
It's very big. 48.86. Yeah, it's pretty big. Yeah, it deserves that reaction. Dude. Wow. Look at these. 10,000 carats. Can you imagine? Holy crap. So a lot of them are from Brazil. Topazes. This is 70 pounds. Holy crap. American golden topaz. 22,000 carats from Brazil. And these are the processed ones. Worn by a French queen. Oh no, you good. Sorry. Are those earrings? Oh. So, siya ni Mary Antoinette, guys. And then, designed by the Spanish royalty. Inquisition necklace. And then an emerald. So, is this a ring? And then necklace, Napoleon necklace, and Mary Louise crown, diadem. Hindi ko alam yun. Pero look, it's amazing. Dito. Ruby and diamond bracelet. Wow. Lucia, Carmen Lucia. Guys, tignan nyo. From Sri Lanka. Wow. Bismarck. Sapphire necklace. Amazing. Cat's Eye. Shout out to Cat's Eye. Girl group. Zaza Azul. Feeling ko favorite to ng tita ko. Si Tita Lilibet. Shout out kay Tita Lilibet. Mahilig siya ng mga alahas. Look. Diamond necklace. Marquise diamond ring. 28.3 carats. Oh no, you're not in the shot. Yeah, if you need confirmation that you're poor, this is the place. Oh, okay. And this is the different kinds of gemstones na dito. Crystals and all sorts of shapes. Ito. Minerals. Yan. Marami guys. If you guys are interested in these, punta kayo dito. Gipit tayo sa time. So, this is a whole day thing. So if you want, you could come here all day. Copper by color. Wow, ganda nito. Look, it's very trippy. Ang BTS purple yung color. Ito. Hindi ako masyadong nakinig, pero sabi nung parang explanation dun na the colors daw, kaya daw ganun yung mga ibang rocks or stones or crystals. Kaya daw ganun yung kulay nila kasi when light hits them, it absorbs certain colors tapos reflects certain colors. Kaya ganun yung kulay nila. So, ewan ko kung tama. Fact check nyo naman ako dyan sa comment section below. Gold guys. Ito, para kay Kay tsaka kay Tita Beth. Gusto nila yung gold. Ito, my explanation. Why is gold so valuable? I-pause nyo na lang. Yes, here too. It's the reason why gold stays shiny. It does not chemically react with other elements such as oxygen and sulfur, which is very common sa sa Earth. Tapos meron din parang, wow, look at this. Ores. Ito parang, it shows you how they mine it. Dito na parts. Huwag na tayong pasok dyan. And then, dito pa. Tapos dito sa ocean din, mga corals. Dito. Rocks are made of minerals. So I think that's the loop, guys, the end of it. Lalabas na tayo. Kasi nag-text na si Ferlin na, tapos na daw siya mag-work. And pipick up na lang daw niya yung food. Tapos susunduin niya ako. We gotta head outside tapos walk back to my hotel. Kasi nga, it's a 30-minute walk papunta ng hotel. I don't want her to wait for me. Gusto ko na ako na lang maghintay. So, yeah, i-update ko kayo. Labas muna tayo. So guys, palabas na tayo. And then, one last look ng dito sa rotonda ng Natural History Museum. Natural History Museum. Ba't napupause ako? Ito. Again, kung papasok kayo from the entrance dito, on the left is gonna be the dinosaur exhibit. On the right, dito din dinosaur. Ay, no. On the left is the mammals pala. Tapos sa right is Fossil Hall. And then dun sa harap is Human Origins and then Ocean Hall. Tapos sa taas yung mga stones. Sa second floor, yung insects, butterflies, elephants, and all that. So, yeah. Cha-chang! Bye-bye! Yan, last look from the outside. Take-in natin to kasi hindi natin alam kung when's the next time we're gonna be here. So kung kayo pupunta kayo dito, be sure to allot like a day, I think, or half a day. Kasi nga, nagmamadali tayo. If you're a person na parang gusto nyong mag-museums, mag-enjoy kayo dito. Ako siguro, depende sa mood. Alam ko, nag-enjoy talaga ako kasi marami akong nag-learn. Pero pag sa mood, pag-usapan natin, kung pagod ka, hindi ka mag-enjoy. Naka-ano na ako, almost 12,000 steps na ako. So, nag-send na si Pearly ng location niya. Maglalakad na tayo. Alright, update ko kayo. Bye.